Hi Aries, welcome to my channel Ritu Intuitive Tarot. Right now I gonna do a general reading to Aries people for the month of September. Let's see. The first card is Aries, Queen of Wands. I think in this month Aries, you are in your power. You're doing your own things. You do not care about people or situations, whatever is going around you. You are not giving a state of mind in this month. Actually, you are very involved in yourself, self love, self care. You are very focused in yourself. In this month, many people attracts you, and also career sector is very creative mind and enjoying with your friends and family. You actually making yourself very strong, happy and independent. Queen of Wands is a very strong energy for me, Aries. It's a very good thing that you are prioritize yourself first, and deep inside your realization its own worth is very important. You enjoying yourself. Wands also indicates a passionate energy to work hard in your work sector and doing very well and dedicated hard worker, time management and very focused in your career. The second card is Seven of Wands. I think Aries, you are very defensive in this month. You have some blockages, hurdles. You're thinking about some challenges also. You're defending yourself in every way. Overall, you are very defensive. Some situations of life, you are not giving up and try to sort it out the problems very well. In some situations of life, you face very bad experience in the past and remind all things and try to use in a good way in your life. I think Aries, blockages and hurdles, problems you faced very bravely. It's a very good quality in your personality. You do not like to quit the life situations, and your aura is very great in this month. And also, you are trying to explore your life. You want some change, either situation or choices of your life. Change is the biggest keyword of your life. Every change is the growth of your life. Temperance. Temperance is a very healing card for me, Aries. You are very patient. Long time you overall life you have been waiting patiently. Long time nothing much happening in your life. You're just going on the flow of energy. I think Aries, you waiting for the right time to luck in your side and manifest all things of your life. Temperance is also indications of angels' guidance to protect you all time. Do not worry about it. And in this month, your life goals and visions also clear what to achieve in your life, and you do not lose your hope. And self healing is very important to your life power taker way in this month. Aries, you also nourish yourself. Past wounds, it's helping out to recover a mental state, to fight the life journey as a warrior. King of Cups. So, well, your heart is filled up love, Aries, but not opening up with your feelings. Your feelings are very matured about deep inside in your heart, controlling your feelings. You are very softer in heart, deep inside. But even you just angry, you control it very well and smartly. Actually, you are very hided yourself, projecting very harder. You do not lose your self independence to emotional track and hiding all emotions gesture. Nobody value your emotions and care about you. I think you mean a lot, so you hiding your emotions and love feelings. You do not wait and want to hurt again and again, so try to very show off hard and handling all emotions stuff very hardly. Just do not open up to anybody for easy get. So I think Aries, you can resonate my storyline. So please like, subscribe, or more share. Love you lot.